Hey everybody, this is Miss Florida Hot Picks here, giving you another Pick 3 video. And today we're going to work on Daily 3 of California. Finally get into you guys. I want to show you a cool example, actually a couple cool examples that I saw using if you have triples in your rundown. And I get questions like that all the time in the comments. And the truth is, I kind of shy away from them. But today, I think I found something that could help us all. Okay, so definitely stay tuned and let's go ahead and get moving. All right, so April 24th, that evening, fell 867. So what I simply did is I went and plugged it into a 317 rundown. For those that don't understand how to count a rundown out, I'll do one for you real quick. You're simply just adding each number to the columns. Okay, so for instance, the first column we're going to count 3 plus 8 is 11. Only use your ones place for a lot of math. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Only use your ones place, your 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Once you get to the number you start with, you end it with that same number. That's how you know you did your rundown correctly. And you're just going to simply do the same thing for each of the columns. Okay. So now the next thing, once you get your rundown out the way, write it all down. I want you guys to look for what we call your triples. All right. You're looking for 3 numbers that are the same. And I know you guys probably see it on here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to square those off for us because we need to know exactly what we're working with. So you see these doubles here, 0, 0. We know those are the same numbers, but this 5 is also a 0 as well. Okay, now that's what we call a mirror number. And for those that don't understand a mirror number, it's simply the number opposite of itself. Typically, when you add 5 to a number, that's how you get your mirror number. And I have the mirror chart, so you can go ahead and jot that down and make sure that you guys study it and memorize it. Okay, 0 can be a 5, a 1 can be a 6, a 2 can be a 7, a 3 can be an 8, and a 4 can be a 9. So just to give you a gist on that, next thing I need you to do is go ahead and square off your triples. Okay. Now in rundowns, you typically are going to get 2 sets, okay, of any double or triple. So right here, we have it again. You see that? 005, 550. Okay. Now, once you guys look at that, I want you to start pairing off, making pairs, making your combinations. And I want to show you something. Okay. So I want you to take your first pair. You got 0, 0 on this side. So you can go 0, 0. That's a pair. On the next side, 0, 5. Write that down. You also have a 5, 5 down here and a 5, 0 down there. Okay, now 0, 5, 5, 0, they're the same number. Okay, so those are the pairs. Now, how do you lock in your third possible number? If you look around these numbers, you're going to notice that you have some numbers that are repeating. Okay, for instance, you have a 7 here, and you have its mirror number 2 here. That's hot. Okay, so you might want to write those down into your combinations. So we're going to do that. So we're going to take 007, and then we're going to take 052. Write that down. And remember, these are just taking it from the pairs that we've already pulled out. All right. You can also do 003 and 058. You see that? Real simple. Real simple. The same thing here. You can go 552. Okay. 507. And again, you see how this 8 and this 3 repeat? You can go 558. All right. And 503. Now, I know y'all see what hit. I know you see what hit. On April 26th, 3 draws later, 205 hit. Where's that 205? Right around here. 052. I'm going to go ahead, get that, and circle that. Bam. That was it. That was it. So here's the deal. Do they come out right away? No, it took a couple of draws, but this is something that if you see triples, you might want to hold on to this, even if you're not in California, and just test it out and have this, just in case you come across a triple, you don't quite know what to do. Here's a method that may work. So definitely test that out. Okay. I'm going to show you it happened again. We're going to go to April 25th, midday. You guys had a triple 772 that came out, right? All right. So now we identified what our triples are, because remember, 7 and 2 is the same number. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and our triples are here. Okay. And then they also repeat itself, mirror here. Remember, 227, 772, they're all the same number. Okay. Now, if you were to go ahead and start grabbing pairs, okay, you can do, as you see, you got a 9 and 4, that's the same number, and a 5 and 0, that's the same number. So that's where you need to be working, right? So we're going to go ahead and start writing out those pairs. So we can start here, 229, 225. Okay, that's all on one side. Then we can go 270, 274. You guys can see that. Okay. And then up here, look at this, 770. Okay. And then you can do 729. Now I had to actually extend this. This is actually the same as this one. So I'll go and square this off. And let me do that again so you guys can get that. We went 770, got that down. 774. We got 774. I'll do it like that so we don't. 774. And then 729. Okay, and 725. You see what we did? We just kept it real simple. Anything that repeats, that's kind of what we were using. Guess what hit? Exactly 3 draws later. Exactly 3 draws later. Guess what hit? 707 right here. You have it here. And then if you're looking at top, it's right here. Simple. Real simple. So that is it. I wanted to share that with you guys as soon as I spotted that. I get comments all the time about what to do with triples. This could be something we can all use, even if we're not in California. So that is all I have for today. I hope that this was helpful. If you found that this video was beneficial to you, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the hot tips and strategies. All right, guys, that was all for today. I will see you guys on the next video.